Hi friends, have you ever noticed why relationship fails? Instead of we want to maintain that relationship and we want to be in that relationship, because nowadays we see in each and every relationship there is a grievances and there is heartbroken failure, and it's supposed to get hurt till the end. Why does it happen? In starting, when we are in relationship, we feel loved, we feel attracted, we feel personal magnetism in each other. But with the due course of time, it gets diminishes. Because remember, my dear friends, here, in anything and everything, there is a law of reciprocity. What is that? In the beginning, you will be interested and you will feel good. You want it more. If anything, you feel good, you want it more. But when you start getting, you can say that, bored from that thing, or if you start getting bad feelings from that thing, then what, you repel and you want to go from that particular thing. Why this happens in relationship? Love isn't supposed to hurt, yet so many people are heartbroken, lonely, and feeling unseen. Yes, this is the fact. Many of them, even they are in relationship, they have complete relationship, full family, but they feel from inside empty, isolated, and alone. Why do beautiful connections fall apart? Why does this happen? And what can you do finally experience conscious lasting love? How can you connect it to a person or connect it to your loved one forever? This is important. Why? Because nowadays, my dear friends, we know very well, you know there are lots of divorce cases nowadays. 80 to 90%, you can say that, in each and every home you can find one divorce, either within the home or in your family members, in each and every home. This was not the India, you can say that, Indian virtues or Indian family values. But nowadays we are finding this. Why this is happening? It's not about only husband wife relationship, it's about parents also. A relationship between child and a parent is not good anywhere, and it has become too much toxic. Toxicity has increased a lot among family. There was a time when there was only love and connection in family, but nowadays toxicity is increasing day by day among siblings, among parents, among children, and partner, all. Why this is happening? Here, I would like to discuss with you, my dear friends, some universal beliefs which you are keeping, but that's not universal. And you have to understand, you misunderstood the relationship, because you always think you are in a relationship where the other person will look after you, the other person will love you, the other person will care for you. It's not like that. It's the duty and responsibility of both. If one person is loving you, caring for you, you have to show the same. But another thing is that if you will feel isolated, lonely from inside, you will be never ever able to give company to the other person. Why? Because you are vibrating with the feeling of unloved, unworthy, am not enough. Then how can you give love, worthiness, and being enough to the other party? And nobody wants to be unworthy, unloved, and not taken care of. Nobody wants that. But this is happening. Not feeling enough. This is also a reason people are failing in the relationship. Constant arguments. In husband wife, even between relationship between, I have seen mother and son. I have seen one mother saying that my son doesn't listen to me. He will only listen to me. He does all the time opposite. If I have to get the work done, then I have to say to him, don't do it. If I will say, don't do it, then he will get the work done. And if I will say, this is important, get the work done, then he will not do that. This happens. Why? Number one, I will give you certain reasons. Why? What are the 6 hidden relationship killers? Number one, lack of self love. Yes. First of all, we all need self love. If we want to give others love, then first of all, you have to feel from inside. You have to vibrate with the feeling of love. Because if you lack self-love, then you cannot give love to others. Another thing, if you don't love yourself, what will happen? You will become needy. Your relationship will come into neediness. You need love from others by which you can be fulfilled. Another party, if he is loving you, then he will start feeling lack of love. Why? Because he is not getting the amount of love which he is looking for. The next thing is what? Poor communication. Yes. Many times what happens? We don't communicate properly and we start doing assumptions. We start thinking ऐसा उसके ने कहा तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ. We delete, distort and generalize a lot of things. तुम हमेशा ऐसा ही करते हो, तुम मेरा कभी नहीं सुनते हो, तुम मुझे कुछ नहीं समझते हो, यू डोंट लव मी, दिस इज योर हैबिट. इट्स ऑल यू नो हमेशा all these words are something I will say you are either deleting the things or you are distorting the things or you are generalizing the things. And if you are in the habit of doing all these three, you will sabotage the relationship. Remember, आप रिलेशनशिप को खा जाओगे. क्यों? क्योंकि आप मन लायक बातों को सेलेक्ट करोगे, उसको अपने हिसाब से घुमाओगे, फिराओगे और प्रेजेंट करोगे, एंड यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट एनी काइंड ऑफ बेनिफिट फ्रॉम दैट talk, from that relationship. So what I will say, if you don't know what is a fact, then what to do? Then assume the best. अगर आपको फैक्ट नहीं पता है किसी चीज का, तो आपको क्या करना है? बेस्ट अज्यूम करना है, ना कि वर्स्ट. डोंट अज्यूम द वर्स्ट, अज्यूम द बेस्ट. मेक अ हैबिट ऑफ दिस. Number 3, old wounds, past traumas, past talks. What people do, they spend lots of time, their 60-70% of time in brooding about past, in complaining about past. Past ने तुमने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया, 6 महीने पहले तुमने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया, साल भर पहले तुमने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया, 5 साल पहले तुमने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया, 10 साल पहले तुम्हारी मम्मी ने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया. And what happens, my dear friends, when we go in past, then that incident has happened 10 years ago, 5 years ago, 4, 3, 2, 1 year ago, or 6 months ago, or a month ago, but you are reiterating that event from last 10 years in your mind, and today onwards, even you are just visualizing the same picture, you are listening the same sounds, you are keeping that person in that moment, and I will say, it's more than enough to kill any kind of relationship. It has been said, अगर आप, if you will jump into a place where there is a mud, what will happen? You will come with a mud. कहीं पे बहुत मड है, कीचड़ है, और आप उसमें कूद जाओ और फिर आप बोलो नहीं मैं तो साफ सुथरा होके आऊंगा लेकिन कूद के दिखाऊंगा. You jump, you come out, you will be completely muddy person. So if when you jump into the old wounds, what happens? You start projecting everything, whatever has bad happened, and you start wasting your time, the other person time, and the relationship becomes so much toxic. It becomes so much toxic by which even you decide not to live with each other. Fourth one, unrealistic expectations. Expectations हम कहाँ से set करते हैं? We set our expectations through social media. We watch movies, we watch daily soaps, we watch serials, right? And we set expectations. ऐसी साड़ी होनी चाहिए, ऐसे हस्बैंड प्यार करना चाहिए, ऐसे हस्बैंड बोलना चाहिए. What nonsense! Hey, they all are showing drama. It's not their real life. Go and check them. One person is marrying with 4 times, 5 times, 10 times, even in their real life, and they're not happy. So understand, your home is a home. It's not a drama place. Don't do a lot of drama at your home. And don't compare yourself from social media. आपने अपने रिलेटिव्स की पिक्स देखी, वो कहाँ गया घूमने, और आप कंपेयर करने लगो अपने फैमिली मेंबर को. आप मुझे घुमाने नहीं ले जाते हो, देखो मेरी दोस्त तो घूमने जाती है, मेरे रिश्तेदार तो घूमने जाते हैं. डोंट डू दैट. इफ यू आर डूइंग ऑल दिस, इट्स ऑल अबाउट क्रेविंग. आपको चाहिए क्या? यू हैव टू गो फॉर अ वेकेशन ना, तो आस्क योर हस्बैंड, हे लेट्स गो फॉर अ वेकेशन यार, बहुत टाइम हो गया, लेट्स गो फॉर अ वेकेशन. व्हाट द प्रॉब्लम इन सेइंग दिस इंस्टेड ऑफ डिस्टॉर्टिंग द थिंग्स? क्योंकि आप किसी और को लेके आ रहे हो, कंपेयर करिए, क्या कर रही है? यू आर डिस्टॉर्टिंग द थिंग्स. सभी फैमिलीज जाती है, तुम घूमने नहीं जाते हो. देन what is that next, my dear friends, which sabotage the relationship? Losing trust. in each other. Yes. Losing trust in each other and keeping doubt on the other person. Keeping his messages, checking his messages and checking his WhatsApp, checking his social media, किससे बात किया, कब किया. Hey, what nonsense it is. कोई आपका गुलाम है क्या जो आपको हमेशा बताएगा कि तुम वो किससे बात कर रहा है, क्या कर रहे हैं? इट्स नॉट यार. हाउ कैन यू ब्रिंग सो मच मिसट्रस्ट? और अगर किसी को धोखा ही देना रहेगा तो आपको क्या लगता है कि आप ये सब करके उसको रोक लोगे क्या? अगर किसी को ईएमएफ रखना है, एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल अफेयर, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि आप either you are a male or female, whoever you are, you will keep your eyes on the person and you will be able to stop him? No, he will do anyway and you cannot stop. ये स्टॉप करने की चीज है ही नहीं, आप कर ही नहीं सकते हो, आप नहीं कर सकते हो. जिसको जो करना है वो करेगा, आप भी कर सकते हो वो भी कर सकता है. So what? And why he is doing? Because of this only. You are keeping your eyes on him or her all the time. Don't do that. अगर कुछ सामने भी आता है, आमने सामने बात करो. व्हाट द प्रॉब्लम? नहीं रहना है, बोलो यार, आगे बढ़ो, मूव ऑन, टाइम वेस्ट मत करो. द सिक्स्थ थिंग इज व्हाट, you know, there is unalignment of values. Yes, values of both the parties are not aligned. One party has the value of growth, other party has the value of comfort. एक की वैल्यू ग्रोथ है, एक पार्टनर की दूसरे की वैल्यू कंफर्ट है. ये इसको एडवेंचर चाहिए, ग्रोथ चाहिए, नई चीजों का एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए, और कंफर्ट वाले को जो जैसा है वैसा ही चाहिए. ना तो उसको घूमने जाना है, ना तो उसको प्लेस बदलनी है, ना तो उसको लोग बदलने हैं, ना तो उसको खाने का टेस्ट बदलना है. नथिंग. एंड दिस पर्सन हैज द वैल्यू ऑफ ग्रोथ. उसको करियर भी बदलना है, उसको टेस्ट भी बदलना है, खाना भी बदलना है, लोकेशन भी बदलना है, सब कुछ. अब बोलो कैसे खुश रहेगा? और अगर वो आपके साथ खुश रहने की कोशिश भी करता है तो आप क्या वो रह पाएगा? नहीं. तो what will happen? For a certain time the person will show his care and love towards you, and later on वो भाई हो गया, अभी इससे नहीं, इससे ज्यादा नहीं हो पाएगा, माफ कर दे मुझे, बख्श दो. later you listen the word बख्श दो, leave me alone. मैं भला था, चंगा था जब मैं शादी नहीं किया था, जब मैं शादी नहीं की थी, खामों का मैं शादी में पड़ गया. राइट? सो प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. बच्चे अगर आपके, तो बच्चों के साथ भी आप क्या करते हो? आप कुछ बनना चाहते थे, डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, आईएएस, पीसीएस, व्हाटसोएवर, और आप नहीं बन पाए. अब क्या? अब आप बच्चे को पकड़ते हो, अब बोलते हो बेटा तू वो बन के दिखा जो मैं नहीं बन पाया. अच्छा, तुमने उसको पैदा किया था तो डील ली थी क्या? इस बच्चे के साथ मेरी डील है कि जो मैं नहीं बन पाया वो ये बन के दिखाएगा. हो सकता है ये कुछ और बनने के लिए पैदा हुआ है, ईश्वर ने, किस्मत ने, उसके टैलेंट ने उसे कुछ और बनाने के लिए पैदा किया है. बट यू आर इम्पोजिंग योर थिंग्स. नो नो नो, यू हैव टू बिकम व्हाट आई वांट टू सी यू. This is somewhere, my dear friends, I will say it's also extreme stupidity, right? So please don't do this. So what solution you get here? Conscious relationship begins with the conscious self. अगर आप relationship को really continue करना चाहते हो तो what you have to be conscious for relationship, and you have to be clear what do you want in that relationship, what feelings you want, what experiences you want, what thoughts you want for each other. And remember, my dear friend, the relationship you have with yourself sets the tone for every relationship you have. I will repeat this sentence. The relationship you have with yourself sets the tone for every relationship you have. Yes. जो आप अपने साथ रिलेशनशिप बिल्ड करते हो ना, वो एक टोन सेट करता है सारे अदर रिलेशनशिप्स का, कि कैसा वहां पे होगा. हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू दैट रिलेशनशिप? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, set your tone of relationship with yourself. Start loving yourself and start making love to yourself. Say to yourself, I love myself, I accept myself the way I am. I love myself, I accept myself the way I am. And you will see a change, because when you will love, you will vibrate with the frequency of love all around you in every relationship, and you will get what you are looking for, and you will build a conscious, sweet, loved, long-lasting relationship. And my dear friends, I want If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and type in the comment box, I love myself. What to type? I love myself. As many I love myself, I will see, I will understand shooting this video is now good. The purpose of this video is solved. Next thing, please do subscribe my channel and join my WhatsApp group where I can guide you in my upcoming webinars how to build a stronger relationship in your family and how to align each and everybody in your family, right? Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video. Till that time, bye-bye. Take care. Love you all.